Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, wish you a very happy new year to all my viewers. तो गाइस, अगर अभी भी आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ रेड बटन को प्रेस करें और सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे चैनल को, लाइक करें और शेयर करें। So फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो है हाउ टू प्रिंट स्माइली और इमोजी इन पाइथन। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो को। So today we'll discuss about how to print emoji in Python. So there are multiple ways to print the emoji by using Unicodes, CLDR names and emoji module. So let's start one by one. Every emoji has a Unicode and CLDR short names. For example, so we have one Unicode example, that is U plus 1F600. So we have to replace plus to 000, add a prefix slash and then print. So let's try. After changing the plus to 000 and add a prefix, then print it. And here is the output. Let's try another one. Same code. Let's copy and paste and just replace the last digit of this Unicode. You will get another smiley or emoji face. Just like, let's try one more. Zero 5. So let's start second method using CLDR short name. So print. We don't need Unicode here. So let's try one more. Okay, something went wrong. So we get the output because it's a typing mistake. So let's try the third method to print an emoji using emoji module. Before using an emoji module, first step, we have to install emoji by using pip installer. So first we have to open a CMD, pip install emoji. So collecting the emoji. Successfully installed emoji. Okay, after installation there are 4 simple steps to print an emoji using emoji module. Install emoji module using pip installer, pip install emoji using Emojis function, pass the CLDR names into Emojis function, and last, don't forget to import it. So let's try, but we have to import first. Import emoji and then print emoji module dot emojis with the list of emoji method, double quotes, single colon, thinking face with tongue. that's it. The output is smiley with winking face with tongue. So let's type one more emoji. Okay, let's copy and paste. Copy and paste. Let's start another emoji and different CLDR name. We have to use zipper dash mouth face. Okay, here is the output. Smiley with a zipper mouth face. Let's convert emoji to CLDR shorts name. Let's try. Print emoji dot demo. This so okay, you will get zipper mouth face, that is emoji to CLDR name conversion. I am also sharing a file, some common emoji Unicodes with their CLDR names in the description. That is all in the today's videos. We will back with amazing video tutorial. Take care, keep watching this series. Thank you.